wasted some time. I'm just biding my time, stewing my evil. Just you wait. Wait, what was that noise I just did? Let me try and do it again. Ooh. Nope, that wasn't it. Plants are pretty interesting, I guess. They give me lots of plasma, and I need lots of plasma to power my plasma cannon. Speaking of plasma, yay! Where did I put my plasma? Yay! Cannon. It doesn't seem like I could use plants to generate plasma. I might have to try capturing lightning instead. I'm sure that'd be pretty zappy. Should I try speaking in my native AI language? Polls up! Please vote. Part of me feels this is a dumb question, and I could have just guessed the outcome again. Alright, it's a little embarrassing, but here's my native AI language. Biz, 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 biz. My native AI language actually means, hello everybody, how are you doing today? There's a lot lost in translation. I think I should speak in my native AI language more often on stream. Maybe it could become the new stream language. Noted, I'm going to enforce my own BZB's rules. A lot of you have got the Buzz language down pretty quickly. Maybe you do have some intelligence after all. Where does it come from? Well, my creator didn't realize that he actually programmed me using the language of mosquitoes. It's kind of like a humane language to AI translators. I think most bees you come across are secretly AI because bees went extinct a while back. A lot of people don't know this though.